So this is for all you fellow Canadians here. We are going to be seeing our first signs of a Tesla factory sometime in 2024. So during the shareholders meeting with Elon Musk, he did mention that we are going to be getting our first production line here in Ontario. He says that he is specifically pointing at Canada as their next factory location, and that means that we are going to get that much quicker of an order time. As soon as we click the order button on Tesla.com, we are going to be getting the very first batches of cars versus having to ship it outside internationally. Now, taking his word for it sometimes can be a little bit of a stretch, but this time around it doesn't seem like it's going to be it. Filings in Tesla Ontario is showing signs and indicates that Tesla is actually working its way through all the logistics and everything like that to get a factory up and running in Ontario in the next coming years. And as of right now, they even have job listings for mineral and supply chain logistics and everything like that, and that just indicates that they are on track to have a factory up here in the north, where it just makes a lot more sense because we have a lot of supply of water, mineral, and a lot more space for them to build upon. So anyways, I hope you guys are as excited as I am. As soon as this factory is even starting its first parts of production, I will be going there to film the entire thing and just to get a grasp of how big this thing is compared to Gigafactory in Nevada and in Fremont. So anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little update. If you guys did, you know what to do. This is John once again. Peace out.